Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out one of the most exciting new handhelds on the market, the Lenovo Legion Go S 2025 model. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the link down below to grab yours at the best discounted price today. Fire emoji, design and display. The Legion Go S comes in sleek, premium styling with a portable form factor that feels solid in the hands. The star of the show? Its 8-inch PureSight IPS display running at 120 Hz. That means smooth gameplay, vibrant colors, and immersive visuals that rival full-size gaming monitors, all in the palm of your hand. High voltage sign emoji, performance. Under the hood, you've got the brand new AMD Ryzen Z2 Go processor paired with AMD Radeon graphics. This combo is designed specifically for handheld gaming, delivering console-quality performance on the go. Whether you're playing AAA titles or indie hits, you'll get smooth frame rates and responsive controls. Brain emoji, memory and storage. With 16 GB of RAM, multitasking and performance are rock solid. Pair that with a 512 GB SSD, and you've got fast load times plus enough storage for a solid library of games. And of course, expandable storage options mean you can keep growing your collection. Cyclone emoji, gaming experience. The Legion Go S isn't just powerful, it's versatile. You get Windows-based flexibility, meaning you can run your favorite PC games, cloud gaming services, and even emulators. Plus, with detachable controls and ergonomic design, long sessions are comfortable whether you're gaming handheld or docked to a monitor. Video game emoji, why it's a game changer. Lenovo built this to compete with the likes of the Steam Deck and ROG Ally, and with its larger display, faster refresh rate, and AMD Z2 Go chip, it's easily one of the most future-proof handhelds going into 2025. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Lenovo Legion Go S 2025 is the ultimate blend of portability, power, and versatility. If you're serious about handheld gaming but don't want to compromise on performance or display quality, this is absolutely the one to get. Right pointing finger emoji, don't wait. Check the link in the description and grab it today at the best price available before it sells out.